Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class, we have studied in tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Today we will study about the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and still it is continuing. Still it is going on. We call it as present perfect continuous tense. There is a form. We can easily frame the present perfect continuous tense. Form is subject plus have or has plus in continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, we use been and before form plus we put object. It is the form. We can make present perfect continuous sentences. V4 means verb fourth form. It means verb plus ing. We called it as V4 form. For example, make, making, write, writing, read, reading. Like this. There is one table. We can easily find out where and what subject having which helping verb. It means I, we, you, they takes have helping verb. And third person singular subjects that we call he, she, it takes helping verb has. I, we, you, they have, he, she, it has. Been, writing a novel. Here, I have been writing a novel. We have been writing a novel. They have been writing a novel. You have been writing a novel. He has been writing a novel. She has been writing a novel. It has been writing a novel. Like this, we can easily find out the and make the sentences using this box. Next, uses of present perfect continuous tense. Uses of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. What are the uses of present perfect continuous tense? First one is it is used for an action which began in sometime in the past The use of present perfect continuous tense is it is used for an action which began in sometime in the past and it is still continuing. We use present perfect continuous tense. For example, Harish has been, it is third person singular, so we put helping verb has. Harish has been sleeping since 5 o'clock. Since 5 o'clock. It means he is still sleeping. Harish has been sleeping since 5 o'clock. It means now also he is still sleeping. Harish has been sleeping since 5 o'clock. It means still continuing. The sleeping process was still continuing. Next, second example is they have been painting. They have. It is third person plural. So we put helping verb have been painting the building for several years or several months. They have been painting the building for several months. The process or the action still going on or continuing. Now second, use of present perfect continuous tense. Second use is this tense is sometimes used for an action already finishing. This tense is sometimes used for an action already finishing. In such cases, the continuity of the activity is emphasized as an explanation of something. An action already finished, but in such cases the continuity of the activity is emphasized. Emphasized means we stress on that finished action. Emphasized as an explanation of something, we use present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been. I it is a first person singular. Have, we take helping verb have been. When we are using perfect continuous tense, we put been. I have been watering. I have been watering the garden. I have been watering the garden. We use present perfect continuous tense. There is a third use of present perfect continuous tense. It is also used to say how long you have been doing an action, or how long you have been doing a action, doing it, and for actions which have not finished, or have just finished. We use present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you. Here it is used to say how long you have been doing it. For example, I have been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you. Here we have finished the action, but still it is going on. Second example is I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. Here we mention particular time. I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. We use present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.